Hello, my beautifully spooky friends, and welcome back to another 31 Days of Halloween video. Today we are playing with these prosthetic demon horns because I took my brother to Spirit Halloween, saw them, liked them, and so here we are. They come striped, but you'll see that later I painted them just a standard black because I thought that suited my desired look so much better. I started with a normal foundation, a lot of bronzer, and some big, thick, dark brown eyebrows. I wanted a certain glam element to this look, even though the overall vibe is incredibly creepy. And now we are once again giving ourselves two black eyes. I'm going to be using eyeshadow for that. I'm filling in our waterline with a black eyeliner, and then we're running that same black eyeshadow across the bottom of our lash line as well. If I owned any colored or SFX contacts, now would be the time to black out my pupils and my eyes, but alas, I have none. I do, however, have a rich red eyeshadow, and I'm going to be hitting the very outer edge of our black shadow with that. We're going to be dragging it here into the inner corner of our eyes and also kind of flicking the shape out and slightly upwards in the outer corner of our eye. Almost kind of like a leaf, or I guess like one part of the yin-yang symbol. You know how they go to woo, very much like that. Dark and dramatic, the way that we like it. I also added a pop of a white that actually had a purple reflect into the very inner corner of our eyes for brightness and added drama. But overall, I did still feel like my eyes looked a little bit closed off and small, so I took a white eyeliner and created a little V shape from my tear duct inwards to my nose. I added mascara and some huge eyelashes, and then I moved on to the rest of the face. We're using a blinding highlighter, the color Bomb from Jaclyn Hill Cosmetics, and then using our same black eyeliner, we're going to be sketching out the open parts of our demon mouth. I fill those in with a black paint, and then I decide to also drag that same kind of energy down here onto the neck as well to make it a little bit more cohesive. Next, we're adding the details. To make our open mouth or stringy skin bits kind of pop, we need to add a sense of movement and depth. For this, we're using yet another eyeliner. This one is the color Love Bite, also from Morphe, and outlining some of the curvatures here of our holes or of our missing flesh bits, if you will. We will be using eyeshadow, as always, to further smoke out these lines and create that depth, or really sell the illusion that the open parts of the mouth are kind of like dragging or dipping into the rest of the skin, kind of making it like sag or drag. You know what I mean. To apply our newly painted horns, we are using Premade, which is a medical grade adhesive and is so much nicer to our skin than the lash glue that we often use here on my channel, or the spirit gum that I refuse to use because it hurts my face. To hide the edges of this prosthetic lace, we are going to be first applying that same foundation from earlier, followed by, and then we're using from earlier, and then we're taking the big fluffy brush from earlier that still has some of that reddish as well as some of that black eyeshadow on it, and we're going to be stippling that around the base of the horn to kind of tie it into the skin texture here on the eyes, down here on to our open mouth, all that jazz. And there you have it, we are one creepy demon. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I do hope that you enjoyed it and that you've enjoyed all of the Halloween content this year. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not already. Drop a comment down below letting me know your plans for Halloween this year. Have a very fun, safe, somewhat spooky day, and I will see you beautiful people in tomorrow's video. Bye!